Thank you, Lakshmi. Hello. I hope all of you are enjoying the Finacle Conclave session so far. I'm Rajashekara Vishweshwaramaiah. I'm here today to take you through the digital acceleration that is required in business and corporate banking. If you observe, the pandemic and the pre-pandemic and the post-pandemic is going to be settling out a lot of opportunities for the corporate banks. But before that, pre-pandemic itself, corporates, corporate banks, and the corporate banking was struggling to increase their revenues. They had shrinking profitability, and more importantly, they were struggling to digitize their operations. Pandemic has not only accentuated, but also created a necessity for the banks to look at how to reimagine the business model, how to now look out for new sources of income, and more importantly, how to accelerate the digital journey that they have to take. Let me now give you some insights in terms of what it takes to change the business of business banking. First and foremost, they need to look at digitizing the core. Secondly, I think the application programming interfaces are changing the way the banking is being done. The corporate banking is not an exception to it. So APIs are going to drive the next generation of corporate banking activities. Third, and the most important, we have to now look at redesigning the entire customer journey. Customers are not expected to come to the branches. The relationship managers are not expected to go back to the corporates. The reimagination of the customer journeys is very, very important. The fourth one is empowering the relationship managers. I think today, the traditional way of person-to-person contact, face-to-face interactions are no more going to be valid. I think the reimagination of the business of business banking also requires banks to look at what are the insights that are generated, and based on that, offer the right product to the right customer in the right channel at the right time. The last but not the least is to look at the entire ecosystem. I think what started in the last decade is going to now proliferate, and as well as the collaboration is going to become the mantra for the corporate banking success. In this journey, can Finacle offer some of the reimagined way of transforming the corporate and the business banking? Yes. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to talk about and introduce you to what Finacle offers in this journey. First and foremost, Finacle Corporate Banking Suite is a comprehensive suite that comprises of the corporate deposits, the corporate lending, the corporate liquidity management, and the supply chain and the whole trade finance. Plus, it also brings the corporate payments, and more importantly, how to engage the customers using a corporate digital engagement suite. Let me now take you through each one of these modules in detail. First and foremost, the corporate deposits. Finacle Corporate Deposit offers the traditional checking account with origination as well as transactions, and these being offered in multi-currency. Plus, it also offers the term deposits, certificate deposits with negative and positive interest capabilities, and more importantly, the corporate banking nature requires a lot of overdraft facilities. Finacle offers a comprehensive overdraft facility so that the bank should be able to now generate fee-based income out of this overdraft. Is there any bank using these corporate deposits? I would like to cite an example of ING. ING in many countries has implemented Finacle Corporate Deposit module. It has not just helped them take care of the regulatory expectations in each of these countries, but also has helped reduce the account opening time from anywhere between 48 hours to less than 10 minutes. That itself is giving a lot of digital capability for the banks to onboard customers quickly and take them through the journey in a frictionless manner. Let me now move on to the corporate lending. Finacle offers a complete suite of corporate lending starting from the origination, which includes the term loans, the loan servicing, and the loan management capabilities. Plus, it also brings the leasing, the financial leasing capabilities, operating, and as well as lease lifecycle management. Finacle offers the syndication. The syndication facility is required for multiple banks to come together and make sure that they take care of a big chunk of loan. In this syndication module, Finacle offers both the agent module and as well as the participant module. It also facilitates tranching and the facility tracking. Last but not the least, Finacle also offers securitization, where the pool can be set up based on various parameters, based on the tenor, based on the term, based on the characteristics of the loan, and then bundle it down from a securitization perspective. I do have a case study here to share with you. State Bank of India, the largest bank from India, uses Finacle for their 27-country corporate lending transformation. Here, the bank uses the entire set of corporate deposits, corporate lending, trade finance, and the corporate payments. Let me now take you through what Finacle offers under trade finance module. Finacle offers traditional trade finance products such as import and export financing, letter of credits, bank guarantees, remittances, and the financing which is pre-shipment and post-shipment credit. Apart from that, it also manages receivables financing. More importantly, it brings in a comprehensive distribution technology-based or blockchain-based Trade Connect solution. Apart from that, Finacle also helps global banks in managing the Islamic trade finance in the form of Murabaha financing, Musharaka financing, Kafala, and as well as Wakala Murabaha. I have a case study to share here. ICICI Bank, the second largest private sector bank in India, has used Finacle Trade Connect, which is based on the blockchain, to bring almost more than 250 corporates to the network. With this, it is able to automate, digitize, and offer a comprehensive, transparency-based Trade Connect transactions for the corporates. It not only brings the corporates, it also has onboarded insurance companies, logistic companies, and more importantly, the warehouse companies, so that the supply chain is tracked from end-to-end perspective. Let me now take you through what Finacle offers under corporate liquidity management. Finacle brings in a whole lot of services around the liquidity management in the form of pooling, sweeping, intercorporate lending arrangements, and virtual accounts. Under pooling, it brings in notional pooling, single and multi-currency, cross-currency transactions. It also helps banks to allocate interest based on the corporates and as well as the structure that they define. Under the sweeping, the Finacle allows the corporates to manage both sweeping and reverse sweeping, and it also helps them to bring in multi-bank, multi-currency, and multi-entity capabilities. In the virtual accounts, which is newly offered by Finacle as a component, helps the entire bank to offer multiple virtual accounts capabilities for the corporates around the globe. It also brings in interest, charges, and statements as a facility for the corporate banks to manage it and offer it to the corporates on their own. I have a case study here. Santander in UK offers digitally empowering for their corporate clients using the corporate liquidity management offered by Finacle. It helps them offer a facility where all the corporates should be able to now track near real-time transactions under the liquidity management using the Finacle liquidity management capability. Santander uses here the comprehensive suite of Finacle digital offering, digital engagement hub, and liquidity management solution and virtual accounts. Let me now talk about Finacle Payments. Finacle Payments Hub is an enterprise-wide offering that helps global banks to look at a reimagined way of offering payments, remittances, cross-border transactions in a multi-currency and a cross-currency way. Finacle Payments is built on ISO 20022 standard so that the banks need not have to worry about the latest SWIFT certification. Apart from that, Finacle also brings in a distributed ledger technology-based solution called as Finacle Payment Connect. Finacle Payment Connect is based on blockchain technologies. It helps banks offer a much more transparent, safer, cheaper, and faster payments for global banks. I have a case study to share here. Qatar National Bank has selected Finacle Payments Hub for their 24 countries reimagination and transformation of their payments. They're going to use this ISO 20022 based system for them to now offer global payments in real time for their corporate customers. I'm going to now talk about Corporate Digital Engagement Suite. This is very important considering the customers are going to be now looking at a reimagined way of connecting with them, a reimagined way of engaging with them. Here is where Finacle brings in a comprehensive digital engagement hub, along with that online banking, mobile banker, and more importantly, an online real-time information reporting system. Let me end the session by giving you a perspective from the analyst community. IDC in 2019 has rated Finacle as the best end-to-end corporate banking solution. Apart from that, Forrester Wave has rated Finacle as a leader when it comes to the category of digital banking processing platform. And specifically, this is applicable for the corporate banking. With this, I'll end this session. Hope it was useful. And if you have any questions, please come back to us. Thank you for joining the session. Have a nice Finacle conclave going forward. Over to you, Lakshmi.